You created an Instagram account and you are hardly getting any followers or any likes on your account. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so you can start increasing followers and likes daily. Hey there, welcome back. If you are brand new here, my name is Farzeel and this channel is for people who want to grow their social media organically by sharing content. So let's begin without wasting any time. First, let's go and open Instagram. You can see that this Instagram account has around 700 followers. We'll increase it soon and then select one of the posts. Let's select this. It has 64 likes. We'll increase that too. So now let's begin to increase the followers and likes. Open your web browser. You can use any web browser you have on your device. Now search for ins.getfollowers.app. That's ins.getfollowers.app. And don't worry, it's not a app method. Now here enter your Instagram username. I will type FarzeelTech and then click on continue. Now here first you have to click on the last tab and tap on enter promo code. And here you have to enter your friend username, or you can either enter the code shown on the screen and click confirm. It will give you some stars. Here stars are like coins or credit. Now click on the very first tab and tap this button. It will redirect you to Instagram. Click on follow button and don't worry, you can always unfollow it later. And then go back to the app. You can see at the top we have got a star. You have to minimum get 10 stars. This method is simple and gives stars quick. Now if you are just getting started with zero, make sure you watch this video where I walk you through how to get your first 100 subscriber right after this video. I will link it down in the comments for you to watch next. Now click on this second tab. Here you can spend stars to get followers. Let's use the very first one by spending 10 stars and increase 5 followers. Click on use 10 stars button and tap on OK. Yes, we'll receive the followers in some minutes, and make sure your account is on private or else it won't work. Now click on this heart icon. Here you will see all your posts and you must select the one you want to get likes on. I'll select this one. So click on it. It already has 64 likes. So now select the amount of stars you want to spend. I will use 10 stars again. So click on use button. Now tap on OK. So we'll also increase the likes on this post soon. So you'll have to wait for a few minutes till you receive the likes and followers on your Instagram account. So now let's go to that Instagram account to see if it works. Yes, we have started getting followers as well as likes on this Instagram account. So it works. Our followers are increased. Here is the before and after. And here is the before and after likes. You can see that both followers and likes are received successfully. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This method will increase the growth on your Instagram account. Do give a like. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you later. Bye.